Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
We'll try to capture this building a little bit that the Fado singers are at.
At 3 p.m. that's the last session of Fado.
Oh, the last for the whole week, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so right there we got Fado. So we're actually capturing streets, but I also want to capture the streets with some of the stuff that's happening, including the Fado that's going on. And I'll show some little pieces of this. I'm zooming in with one camera, and I'm also using streets as well. So so in this particular one, we're going to go down that way, and I'll show you how this is all connected. And then the Portuguese consulate, which used to be a hospital, is right here. This goes all the way up to the fortress of Sao Paulo ruins. And we're going to try to get closer, so stay tuned. So this right here is Pedro de Lasca da Silva. That's the Portuguese consulate up that way. And they're playing Fado in the Janela, and there's a sign over here. But we're gonna also do a target street, which is this particular one right here. And we're gonna try to capture with the music the whole time as well. This is our street right here. So we are going to still focus on our streets. We can hear the Fado in the background. We'll try to capture this building a little bit that the Fado singers are at. I'll quiet down so you can capture the Fado in the background. And we are going to come back up so you can capture more of them. And I'll play some pieces of their music as well. But before we do, we're just going to go downhill real quick, show you what the street looks like, because this particular street that they're in has some really beautiful architecture, as you can see here, and also in the one that we were just at. So we are doing our street scenes of Macau, trying to capture stuff in time, and right now they have a lot of Fado in Macau. So they have Janela in the window this whole week, Fado in the window, it's called, in the Janela. And they also have Fado in the Script Road Festival. There's Grand Lisboa Casino, just to give you some reference to where we are. We're kind of in this central part of Macau. This is called Field Street, or Rua do Campo. And you got some really beautiful architecture in here. And this whole street, Travessa do Padre Soares. I've always liked this balcony too, but we want to get back up there and show you some Fado, so we won't dwell in the space for very long. But I do have other videos where I've focused on the street, and you can see those as well. So let me get out of the way for this car coming. So now you can see part of our architecture right there. And this is the Casa de Portugal. Let me come all the way up to the top here. I think it just ended. So yeah, they had. I'll play some at the end, so don't worry. So this is where they had the Fado at. So it's called Janela de Fado. So they got a lot of events right here as well. So we'll just kind of come over here and just show you some of the stuff they have. So actually the Casa House, they have ceramics, flower arranging, illustration, dynamic games. Very cool.
Oh, good man. You're doing your vlogs?
Yeah, I'm doing the video, so I'm recording the streets and trying to capture the scene with the Fado, so it's kind of cool.
At 3 p.m. that's the last session of Fado.
Oh, the last for the whole week, right?
Yeah.
And actually this week there's a lot of Fado with, there's Script Road has one, and then there's also...
Dom Pedro Theater.
Every day, every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right?
Exactly, yeah. I think last one will be not this weekend, the coming weekend. This will be the last one. But hopefully, if it's approved, if it's approved, it will continue.
I hope so.
Yeah.
How's the audience? Is there a good audience there? I hope so.
I think in the beginning, like the first days, naturally people didn't know, so they were just passing by. They stopped a little bit and then continue. But with time, some people start to know about this. And
I didn't know about it until today.
Every day.
Yeah.
Some of them, yeah.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Yeah. Actually, hopefully we're gonna do more.
I hope so.
We're gonna do more. This concept of Fado at the balcony, it's
perfect.
Hopefully we can also maybe later do it other places, not only here but in other places.
Yeah, that's a great idea. There's a lot of good architectural buildings to do some Fado at.
Yeah, and the idea is to be like a spontaneous, like it's nothing you're expecting. You're just passing by, and then suddenly you start to hear some music, and then here they are.
It's perfect.
Yeah. All right, I gotta go.
Thanks, David. See you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So yeah, so they got the Fado in the park, and it looks like they're gonna keep on going. Hopefully, hopefully there's support. I think he's right. I didn't know about it myself until just this until today. Actually, I looked at the newspaper and I saw today was the last day. So this is our target street right there. And we will put some more Fado in it. And our street was Travessa de Padre Soares. So let's end it right there. And another, actually before we even go down, this is our side street right down, all the way down that way. And then this has always been a really interesting architectural building too. It's kind of a nice, beautiful balconies and kind of a, its own unique style as well. Okay, so let's end it right there. So you can see the Fados right there. So we're going to capture that from the angle a little bit. We're going to use my other lens, so we're going to zoom in a little bit. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.